Unlock the magic of would and would have in reported speech. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of English reported speech. More specifically, we will explore how would and would have are used in reported speech, particularly when we are reporting requests and offers. Understanding these will significantly improve your English fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. In reported speech, would is often used to report a request, offer, or a situation that was in the future at the time of the original speech. For instance, let's take the direct speech. He said, "I will help you tomorrow." When we turn this into reported speech, we say, "He said he would help me the next day." Remember, the word will in the direct speech turns into would in the reported speech. This is an example of a modal shift, a common feature in reported speech. When we use would to report requests and offers, the structure is often subject plus would plus verb. Imagine a situation where someone says, "Can you pass the salt?" When reporting this, you would say, "He asked if I would pass the salt." Similarly, for an offer, if someone says, "I can bring you a coffee." When reporting, you would say, "She offered that she would bring me a coffee." The word can in the direct speech becomes would in the reported speech in these examples. Now, let's move to the slightly more complex would have in reported speech. Would have is used to talk about something that did not happen in the past but could have happened if conditions were different. In reported speech, would have is often the reported form of will have in direct speech. For example, he said, "I will have finished the report by Monday," becomes, "He said he would have finished the report by Monday." Would have can also be used to report past actions that did not occur. For instance, if someone says, "I could have helped you with that assignment." When reporting this, you would say, "She said she would have helped me with that assignment." Here, the word could in direct speech changes to would have in reported speech. And that wraps up our deep dive into the use of would and would have in reported speech for requests and offers. Understanding these two phrases will add depth and nuance to your English language skills. I hope this video has been helpful and you're now more confident in your ability to report speech. Keep practicing, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language. See you next time.